Good morning, guys. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to get a video out this week, but I don't have anything made and finished to make a video. So I thought I would make a video on the design process of how I'm going to make another black wedding dress. I have this wedding dress. So yeah, I have this black wedding dress that I'm still working on. I've already posted part 1 to this dress. So I'm still trying to finish it. All that needs to be done is add a bone here to the center front so this wrinkling will go away. And then I have to finish the zipper in the back, and then we'll be good to post this video. So working on this one, but it's not finished. So I don't want to post a video of a dress that's not finished because I've been trying to finish my gowns 100% before I post videos on them. So the part 1, 2, and 3 can actually be consecutive instead of spaced out. But you know, I've also been trying to like slow down and work a little bit longer on my dresses so that they have better craftsmanship than me just trying to meet deadlines and me doing them really fast is what I've been doing a lot lately, and I'm so tired of that, guys. So my videos may be a little bit spaced out while I'm trying to do that, but then they'll be back to being consecutive after that. But anyway, I know you guys are getting tired of my mermaid silhouettes, so I'm trying to figure out, and sweetheart necklines, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to make this dress. This lace, let me bring it in close. This lace has a beautiful scalloped edge on the top and the bottom. This lace is from Lace to Love, and I love their lace. I get a lot of my lace from there, and BridalFabrics.com. Their lace is good too. Lace to Love is a little bit more affordable than BridalFabrics.com, just for you guys to know. This is a beautiful beaded black lace, and I love the way this looks with the off-the-shoulder kind of thing. And I was thinking maybe I want to do some applique seams here, so you won't be able to see the seaming. But I was thinking to put like a sweetheart neckline bodice up underneath here, and then that's corseted. And then for the skirt, I'm not sure what to do with the skirt because I've got these 2 fabrics. One is just your regular matte satin that I always use from Joann's, and this other one is a crepe back satin, which I'm kind of leaning towards this one. But I don't have that. I think I bought like 4 yards of this. I have to look at my receipt to see how much I got. But I think it was like 4 yards. So this isn't enough to do like an A-line kind of gown. And I know you guys are getting tired of my mermaid gowns. So I'm not really sure what kind of silhouette to do. And that's like one of the main reasons why I'm making this video for you guys to go and help me out with the design and let me know what you guys want to see, so that I'm making something that can be helpful. And also, this dress will have long sleeves because I get a lot of requests to do dresses that have sleeves. So this will be that dress, and a lot of my other dresses that I have coming up will be long sleeves as well. I do also have a lookbook video coming up with me making 5 different dresses, party dresses, not just gowns, but 5 different like holiday party dresses and New Year's party dresses. And I will record a lookbook for that, as well as tutorials for each of those dresses. I might not get that up by Christmas because I still have to go run out and buy the fabric tomorrow. But it will be up sometime in January. So I'll be late, but I will still do them. Better late than never, right? So I'm excited about that, and I will be doing a lot of couture finishes in those dresses. And I want to do a lot of couture finishes in this dress as well, because I want to get back to actual dressmaking and not just slapping dresses together for the sake of making a video. And I feel like that's what I've been doing lately, and I'm kind of tired of that. So I want my dresses to be finished on the inside and out, and I want it to be able to show you guys what the inside looks like and everything, and have it be nice and neat. So anyway, off the shoulder sleeves, I was thinking about doing maybe like a sheath style dress, and I wanted to do one of those detachable trains, but I don't think I have enough fabric for that, and I don't want it to look like super cheesy and super cheap. So maybe I can use like this for the actual dress up underneath. And then maybe I can use this for the detachable train. How much do I have of this? I think I've got like 3 or 4 yards of this too. And the only reason why I didn't buy, I usually, when I go shopping for fabric and I don't know what I'm going to make, I usually buy 8 yards of any kind of fabric, just because 8 yards is enough to make any kind of wedding dress you can ever think of. Well, besides like a ball gown. But I think they only have like 4 yards of this. So what if and this is going to be kind of weird because I have and I've never actually done one of these detachable trains before. But I see when I type in like black wedding dresses on Pinterest, I see a lot of the black wedding dresses have these trains. And I'm just using it as a rectangle, and I'm going to see if that works. If you guys have experience, idea. You know what? I just thought, you know, like one of those cape veils that come out from the sleeves. Ooh. Okay. I have some of this really soft tulle, and this is also from Lace to Love. What if I did like one of those? Oh, it's not on this side because this side's the length of the fabric. I'm going to show you on this side. What if I did one of those veils that come from the shoulder? Like that. I don't want it to be like gothic inspired, even though there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, I actually love the gothic style. But what do you guys think? Obviously, this is not like 100%. Let me know what you guys think. Let me just take this off so I can see what it looks like as a whole. So like if it was a veil that came from the sides, from the sleeves, and kind of wrapped around the body to the side. Let me know what you guys think. But that can be determined when I'm actually making the dress. I think what I'm going to do now is just worry about the actual construction of the dress. So let me see how it looks with the... I'm sorry guys if you think I'm like rambling on. I'm not just posting this because I need a video. I'm posting this because I really need help with designing a dress that's not the same dress I always design. And even when I was making that second crepe dress I just made, which I need to finish that one as well, I just need to do the buttons on that one, which I dread doing buttons, so I put it off to the last minute. And that one has lots of buttons. But yeah, even when I was making that dress, I noticed, I'm like, God, this dress looks exactly like one of the first wedding dresses that I made on my channel, except it's crepe. So I need to branch out. And I know when I'm doing these holiday dresses, I'm going to make sure that I'm using different kinds of fabrics other than satins. I'm trying to really branch out there for you guys. Let me take this arm off and my dress form is from the shop company. I know I get a lot of questions about where my dress form is from, and my sewing machine is the Brother Sewing and Embroidery 425. But I'm trying to con my husband. It's always conning my husband, right? I'm trying to con my husband into getting me a industrial sewing machine for Christmas. So we'll see. I'm just gathering this down real quick to see. Not gathering, but pleating it down to see if I like the way this looks. And if so, maybe we'll do one of these kinds of over skirts, I guess you would call them. And then I would just have to run out and get more, lining fabric. Yeah, And I am also planning on drafting these patterns from my standard bodice blocks. So I have my back block, my front block, and my sleeve block. Please don't ask me for a sleeve block, y'all. I suck at sleeves. Okay. And my skirt block as well, which I don't have over here. But yeah, because I know I get a lot of questions about if I draft for paper, and which is funny, is 95% of my drafting is done with paper. I only really drape for YouTube. So yeah. And also, if you guys need any help with making your own custom bodice block, I do have my bodice block course, which is currently on sale for $35. So I'll put the link in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check that out. And another sidebar and plug, I'm currently designing my t-shirts, which will be displayed up underneath my videos for you guys to check out. You know, support my channel by purchasing Mom That Sews branded t-shirts.
Mom That Sews?
Yes, Mom That Sews.
Where's that?
I'm only gonna pleat up half this because I'm wasting a lot of time doing this. But I really want to see what it looks like from the front.
Mom That Sews.
Yes, Mom That Sews.
Yes, Mom That Sews. We don't want those.
Okay, 2 and 3. Go in the living room, please. What is that? What is that? What is that?
The charger.
Alright, let's see what this is. And we're like in the process of getting ready to move into a new house.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is pretty. We're getting in the process of getting ready to move to a new house, so I got stuff all over the place. So please excuse my mess. What it looks like with the over skirt, which would be detachable. I'm thinking if I like this with the satin or if I would like to do this with tulle. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna post this video today so I can get y'all's responses in the comments today, and so I can get it in time to go to the store tomorrow. But I know for this dress I am gonna be super extra, super couture, and make a really super extra and couture and make a really fitted bodice up underneath here, as well as it's going to be boned properly this time. I'm not going to bone it lazily. I'm going to bone it properly, and it's going to have a zip back, but it's going to have an inner corset lacing closure up underneath the back here for me to lace it up and then zip it up so I'm like all snatched in here. And then still trying to figure out the bottom though. Should I make it mermaid or should I just make it hang like a sheath gown? Like sheath meaning straight up and down, and then have this be like the star of the show? Y'all help me, I need help. But nonetheless, I'm really excited to start this project, and I really would appreciate y'all's feedback on the design of this dress, because I think that everyone will like it more if we all contributed to the design of it, right? But yeah, so I'm going to edit this video and post this video so I can get y'all's feedback, and then I'm going to go to Joann's tomorrow and buy the fabric for this as well as the fabric for all of my lookbook projects. And if you guys want me to take you guys along with me into the store and do like a shop with me kind of vlog, let me know down in the comments. Leave some hearts, leave some, you know, one of those emoji girls that go like that. Please leave anything you want in the comments to let me know what you guys would like to see. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's not like most of my other videos, but I really do need help with this design, and I want to make sure that it is okay. And I want to make sure that it is what you guys want to see and not more of my saying regular old stuff. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take it all back, hate the things that you said.